laptop and show us your bedroom.
This is our bedroom.
The bed. And then and this is the living room.
Yeah.
The TV. Yeah. See it?
Let's bring it to the market.
Huh?
Let's bring it to the market.
It's the view. Okay. Show us the kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
Can you show Papa what's in the kitchen? Coffee maker.
This is coffee maker.
Yes.
And this is our
Dishwashing.
yes.